Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and confirming battery level. A half charge avoids mid-process shutdown. Once done, hold the exact key combo for your Oppo model, commonly power plus volume down or up to enter recovery. Make sure the cable is connected if you're using an ADB trigger from a PC, otherwise use the hardware keys only. I'm guiding you step by step so you don't guess. Identify the correct button sequence, press firmly, and watch for the recovery logo before proceeding to menus. Once in recovery, you'll use the volume buttons to move and power to confirm. First, choose Wipe Cache Partition to remove corrupted temporary files. This often restores boot behavior without data loss. If that fails, prepare to select Factory Reset. Know that this erases user data, so proceed only after backups. If you instead connect to a PC, make sure ADB recognizes the device. Run a DB devices and confirm an ID before issuing sideload or finish by choosing Reboot System Now and allow extra time for the first boot. Android frameworks rebuild on initial startup. If the phone remains in recovery, re-enter and repeat wipe cache. If it still loops, flash the official ROM via local update or use Oppo's recovery/repair tool. Make sure the ROM matches your model. Mismatched packages brick devices. One key troubleshooting tip. If flashing fails, switch USB ports and cables, then retry with a clean ROM file, confirming checksums before flashing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.